all you viewers of Your Name Later, how are we doing today? Well, today we're going to take a look at a viewer request. And this is actually the second bottle of this I have ever purchased. That's right, Shea Moisture Men Beard Conditioning Oil is here on the channel. Now, if you're like me, and when you're first starting out in your beard journey, you don't know about all these great products out there, and you're probably not researching YouTube to go, hey, what's the best beard oil for me? You're going to go to your local big box store, and you're going to grab some stuff there. Well, when I first found this, it was in the same section with like Cremo and Mountaineer Brand and Honest Amish. Well, now they've kind of segregated in my local Walmart to a different area. But that's where I first found it, was my local Walmart. Now, they do have a web store, which is SheaMoisture.com. They are very proudly made in the United States of America out of Amityville, New York, which just makes me giggle going, the Amityville Horror House? Mm-hmm. But still, I just couldn't let that one go. Now, when I went to their web store, like I usually do, and do research on the background and about us info, I found out something really, really cool. You know, at least to me it is. Safi Tucker started selling Shea nuts, yeah, say that 10 times fast, at a village market in both B-O-A-T-H-E, Sierra Leone in 1912. When she was 19, and from my understanding, she was a widow and a mom to 4, she was selling shea butter, African black soap, and her handmade hair and skin products all over the countryside. Now, from what I understand, Shea Moisture is her legacy. And I think that is just phenomenal to think something like that kind of recipe has been around since like 1912. Just utterly amazing, you know, the fact they're doing stuff, carrying on her honor, carrying on her legacy. They say that there's no parabens, phthalates, mineral oil, petroleum, or formaldehyde in any of their products, which all of those make me go, well, thank God. I really don't want formaldehyde on my body, period, while I'm alive and above the dirt. Now, what I thought was cool is they have a Shea Ambassador program. You know, a Shea Ambassador program. I think they call it Shea Ambassador. And I thought that was really, really neat. All right. Now, for this 2.2 ounce plastic bottle, and I got to tell you, careful. It is kind of a weak bottle to me. It's going to run you $9.99 on their web store, and I think that's exactly what I paid for it in my local Walmart. Now, as of filming this video on August 24th, 2020, this is not available on their web store. I'm sure they're going to make that change, but depending when you're viewing this, just make sure you check, okay? Now, the ingredients in this thing... Oh, I'm sorry, hold on. It's got a little, like, squeeze dispense top. So you just got to be a little careful of the amount you're squeezing out. You don't want to overdo it. This is a very light oil. It will come out quick. It will get runny. It really, truly will. Now, it's got grapeseed oil, sunflower seed oil, olive oil, castor seed oil, shea butter, oh my God, Passiflora eldris seed oil. I know I'm screwing that up, but freeze frame, go ahead and look. Arginia spinosa kernel oil, coconut oil, sweet almond oil, jojoba seed oil, and an essential fragrance blend. On their web store, it's been reviewed 60 times for a 4.7 out of 5-star rating. Now, to me, I understand that this brand is marketed towards African American men. So when I used it at first, I didn't know that. And it felt really lightweight in my beard, felt good. It had kind of a, I don't want to say a floral smell. There really wasn't anything there, but it smelled good. It just, maybe it's like some of the oils that are in there the way they do. It's not a neutral scent, but I picked up some floral notes on it. It was really, really pleasant in my beard. You know, my beard felt okay. It didn't feel greasy. It didn't feel dried out after using it in there. It really didn't feel baby butt smooth, but still, it had a good feeling. Now, would I recommend this for first-time users? Sure. This is a great starter oil for you to get out there and get experience with beard oil. It really, truly is. Would I go back and buy it again? Probably not. I bought this because I didn't have it. I wanted to do this review. Only because I've used other oils, and I've moved on from what I consider starter oils. Now, I know it's probably going to offend somebody out there. There's going to be someone who goes, oh my God, this is the greatest thing I've ever put in my beard. Well, dude, good for you. Seriously, this is the joy of having a beard and putting products in your man-made, is figuring out what works for you. What works for you may not exactly work for me, and what works for me, I know dang sure ain't gonna work for you. Now here's the fun part. If you're unfamiliar with beard oil, it's got 3 really, really good uses. It seriously, truly does. First use is it's a vitamin supplement for that skin under your beard. I know. Beard oil for your skin? It truly is. Because your body can only produce so many healthy oils like sebum in order to keep your beard hair growing out long, luscious, beautiful, not get all dry, dried out, bird's nesty, ratty, that kind of feeling. Doubt me? Look, I know we're still in COVID times. Take a weekend, don't shower. Your head hair is going to get really greasy and really disgusting. You're going to want to rip it out. Your beard hair is going to dry out on you and feel like a freaking straw, just a bunch of straw. It's going to get nasty, Beard oil helps prevent that. The second great use of beard oil is that stuff gets in there and it really helps soften up your beard. You really don't want your better half leaning in close to get that quality time, and you get the, no thank you, you get Heisman. You want them coming in close, yeah. And the third great use is a scent profile that works for you and works for your better half. Oh man, that can be a game changer right there. Seriously. So that's 3 really, really good uses. Now, how to use it? Man, that's so simple. It's really, really great. Like I showed you, the little top, get the amount you think you need into your hand. And this is why I say I think. Because not everybody is an expert beardsman who knows right away the amount they need. Some people use some different sizes, some people use different amounts. I use a size about 1/4 on my beard. Here's a great way to tell if you're using too much. A half hour after you put in what you think you need, just simply run your hands through your beard. Hold them up like that and check. If you have a grease stain, like an oil slick, you've used way too much. Kind of back it down a bit. So after you get it in your hands, rub your hands together, really activate that scent profile and warm up that oil, and seriously groom it into your beard all the way down to your skin. Just get it in there, work it in, groom your beard out. It's that simple. That easy steps make your beard wonderful, healthy, luscious, and just beautiful. Now, with that fun stuff being said, we're at the great part of the video for me. Seriously, this is like my favorite part of every video I ever shoot. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever, down below in the comments section. Have you used Shea Moisture, the men's beard conditioning oil? Have you had any great successes with it? Have you had any failures with it? Have you used any of their other products? Because I know they have a wash, they have a co-wash that I've used before. And I'll probably bring that to the channel as well, because I had an okay success with it. They had, I think, a beard balm, but I don't use balms much anymore, so I don't know. I'll look into it and try to bring more of that to the channel. Now, after you guys do all that fun stuff, leave me all those great comments and whatnot. For you first-time viewers of the channel, I just want to say thank you so much for viewing this video. Look, I know there's lots of options out there on YouTube, and I am eternally grateful that you found my video and you're watching it. Now, for you first-time viewers of the channel and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, my question is, why not? Why don't you leave me a comment right down below what I can do to earn your subscription? After you've done that, because, man, you never know what could be a game-changing suggestion for my channel. You never know how you can affect the future course of this channel. After you've done that fun stuff, look right down there. You're going to see big channel symbol popping up. Click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you go ahead and knock that out the way, please, if you so choose, destroy the little bell icon that's right next to it. Here is why. YouTube will be able to notify you, my amazing viewers, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Kind of cool, huh? I know. I get notifications on channels that I love, and it's like, oh, cool, something new. All right, after you've done that fun stuff, man, sorry, getting ahead of myself. It's a Monday. Woo. All right. So speaking of those videos, that we just love so much on YouTube, 2 will be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they feel are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But guys, there we go. My quick overview on Shea Moisture Men Beard Conditioning Oil. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope all of you are having a great day today and you're being safe out there.